My name is Nick, or Nicholas. I have learned many things, and the most things I've been learning recently is to code. And I'm also coding for servers or whatever I can right now to be able to do what I can, not having a job. I suffer from what I know to be a deviated septum, and it's caused a severe sinus infection. And it's caused multiple things, such as my jaw descending. As you can probably see, my face has been extended. My voice has gotten like this, and it's occurred not a lot. Like, it's just within the last couple of years has it really occurred, my jaw. So because it's forcing me to breathe through my mouth, I have to have, even when I brush my teeth, I still have the problem where there's mucus in my mouth and in my nose, and then I go brush my teeth every day, and it takes about 20 minutes to get it done. Like, the whole time that I was getting ready, I was cleaning my mouth and trying to take care of that. The first thing would be the first check-in, which they apparently charge a lot for, but it's $163.87. And then to get a nasal check, which is a long tube that goes in my nose to check what's going on, it's $296, and for the surgery it'd be $458, total $918.03, and then whatever they charge for medicine, right? And it would basically take care of it all and get rid of my problems forever. I mean, the way that y'all can help is either, by checking out Lazy Tech Tony or the other people that are helping out, and especially my wife, who has been doing a wonderful job to try to make sure that I'm healthy and making sure that we try to raise enough. She has it on her Twitch, Leone Kitty on Twitch, and it's down in the below. You can donate, and it goes directly to her, only to her, and then we can be able to go forth and use it to be able to take care of what needs to be taken care of with my nose, and get, like I was saying, the checkup, the nose thing, and the surgery. Well, I appreciate every single person who helps out, who comes in. I know times are tough. I know that things are, going crazy, especially with Texas. But I really appreciate absolutely everything. I couldn't ask for greater people to help me, and it's just amazing how quickly already, it hasn't even started, that people are already trying to help, and I appreciate every single person.